In Bari, Avio Aero has just opened Italy's first laboratory dedicated to the development of repair procedures for aircraft engine components using additive technology. Avio Aero is already a pace setter when it comes to additive layer manufacturing, sometimes called 3D printing. This partnership with the Polytechnic of Bari pushes the additive technology frontier further into a second generation of additive repair, research and development. As more and more industrial parts are manufactured using this process, the whole question of how the technology itself can be used for repairs will become more vital. Avio Aero and the Polytechnic of Bari hope that the result of studies here will eventually become best practice in the industry and help accelerate the adoption of additive manufacturing techniques. Additive manufacturing is not just about production efficiency, reducing costs and time to market. It is also a journey to more eco-friendly propulsion. A second lab, this time at the Polytechnic of Turin and focused on additive technologies and new materials, is set to take Avio Aero further towards that goal.